You know, I'm tired. I was talking before they started even doing it. I'm going to bed immediately. Oh, look at my baby. Isn't she so cute? She's not this baby anymore. Anyway, okay. So we're here. And I know I'm late. I have missed so much, y'all, and I apologize. Uh, where's my pen, right? Girl, if I don't get my scissors back to my chilling. Anyway, I am here for the unboxing of the latest and greatest. Doesn't seem like you guys are caring as much about the pattern unboxing anymore. But let's get into the pattern unboxing. First of all, I'm gonna let you know right now. This uh curling iron is expensive. Okay, this is not part of the unboxing. So let me put that to the side. That's the hair milk, which I've told you before. You need to get into the hair milk. The hair milk is amazing. And then they gave me a treatment mask. So that's beautiful. Okay, so this does come with it. So we got the retractable comb. I'm gonna open that up, but let me just at least get that unboxing off the road. And then we got iron. Keep that box down. We have the curling irons. Okay, let's see how this looks. Let's first go through and figure out. I really don't curl my hair that much. So I was on the fence about buying it because I really don't curl my hair enough. But yeah. Oh, this is cute. Okay. So, oh, this is cute, yo. Um, how do I do this? Oh, this is cute. I'm telling you, Pattern has it on lock when it comes to coming up with innovative little ideas, things that you didn't think that you wanted to have. They come up and be like, "No, you wanted this." And honestly, I wanted this. Okay, let's see how we gonna get into this. Okay. Open the box. Oh, this is so cute. Look at this. Makes me want to get my hair pressed. I wish I saw these. Maybe I'll get my hair pressed when I get my braid. We can hope our root, we hold hope in our roots. Our coils extend to the sun. We capture the heat. We find our glow. We bask in the possibility of our pattern. Our hair has a history with heat, pressing combs on hot stove, click on curling irons. We held down our ears. Yes, we did. It's always got burned. Heating our hair into submission, we were taught beauty is pain. We were taught in order for our curls to be beautiful, they had to be changed, but our coils can be anything they want to be. They can zig and zag, press and curl, afro and twist. Our curls take shape and shape shift. We let our curls create. We give our coils room to play. When our texture meets heat, we define our own definition, discover our own altitude, behold our own brilliance. We amplify our hair and our voices. Here our curls sing a new song. Here we remember our coils are a gift. Here we cherish our texture. Explore your pattern. When I tell you, these kids have thought of everything. Okay, so here we are. Um, Literally, I'm throwing away my curling irons. This is literally the end all of the expensive of the curling iron. So this is crazy. Okay. So we have the ending part. And what do we have here? Patchwork. Okay. Oh, this is so, okay, I'm gonna plug this up because I want to see what this is like. And because it has this funky little thing here, and I don't know what that does. I hope it lights it up as an indicator light. I mean, that would be, oh, well, I don't want to be in complete darkness, so. My bad. Okay, here we go. Hold on, I'm coming. Oh, I gotta unplug, plug. Okay. Oh, how cool is that? It's digitized. Okay, so now we have first step. Oh, and it tells you the temperature. Oh, that is so dope. And it tells you if you want less or more. So the less you can get is 250. The highest it'll go is 425. You know, I'm really getting emotional because I don't think, I mean, I love when people really think about us. This is wonderful. Oh, and it heats up really quick. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off. Um, Turn it all the way to something. Okay, it's unlocked. So that's one. Let's look into number two. Oh, this is skinny. Oh, this is nice. I'm not keeping it on. No. This is really amazing. And so that one's the large, this one's the medium, and that's the skinny one. So when I'm saying large, skinny, that's not the correct terminology. So let me do better. It's, this is the 3/4 barrel. The largest one is a 1 inch. The smallest one is a 3/8 inch. Now, oh, just so you can see it, okay? Okay, so now I want to, it gets hot immediately, like it don't take long. Okay, so now, oh, hold on. So now you lift that up. So it goes here. And you lift up. Oh my God. You, let me tell you, these people make me uncomfortable. I don't want to get rid of the box. The box is so dope. Okay. They have a heat glove. It's felt. Does it fit my hand? It fits my hand. So I won't burn my hand. I wouldn't use it for this hand. I'd use it for this hand. Ugh. They have a guide, of course, and some instructions. I cannot. And then the package that you carried in. Oh, oh, look at you. It's metallic. The storage. You put all your clips here. There's a zipper here for your mitt. It has enough, three for the barrels and one for the base. When I tell you, this is amazing. I mean, this is nice and it is amazing. And I cannot tell you how amazing it is, especially for a Black-owned company, company that literally is doing everything for you. You have no reason to go buy with Dyson. This is absolutely fantastic quality. I am putting my little pin on top of that. And let me unplug this. I'm gonna put my little plug thing here. I have no idea when I'm going to use this, but this is wonderful. I'm gonna take it to my hair picture so she can see this. Like this right here is amazing. Hold on, let me. Because I've been telling my beautician for the longest, like, look, girl, you gotta get into this pattern. She's like, she's like, yeah, I do my own thing. And I was like, yeah, no, I hear you. But I don't think I've ever seen anything this. Oh, I want my anthem. It made me feel so good. Tracy and your whole pattern team, this was lovely. This was, oh no, oh no, I want the top. I want, I want all my pieces. I knew I was missing something. I want all my pieces. That was lovely, wasn't it? Tracy Ellis Ross, you are amazing. Whoever you have that created this with you, amazing. I love this. It's been a fantastic journey with you on this pattern journey. Thank you so much.